In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time in Clickup, an essential skill for anyone looking to manage their tasks and projects efficiently in this all-encompassing work app. Clickup is designed to boost your productivity by keeping track of your work hours against specific tasks, helping you manage your time more effectively. Whether you're new to Clickup or you've been using it but not utilizing its time tracking features, this tutorial is tailored to get you up and running in no time. First things first, navigate to the Clickup website. You can do this by entering Clickup vertical bar, the Everything app for work, into your web browser's address bar, or by searching for Clickup online. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page of this powerful tool that's shaping the way we think about work management. Next, to get started with logging time, you will need to access your Clickup account. Click on the login button, which you'll easily locate on the home page. This will redirect you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Clickup account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, keeping a strong, unique password for your online accounts, including Clickup, is crucial for safeguarding your data. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Clickup provides an option to reset it, ensuring you can regain access to your account swiftly. With your email and password entered, it's time to log in. Click the Login button to access your Clickup workspace. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the heart of your Clickup interface, also known as your home. Now, to dive into the essence of today's tutorial, logging time. Look for the waffle icon on your Clickup dashboard. This icon is your gateway to various features within Clickup, including the one we're focusing on today. It's Track Time. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with several options. Within the revealed options, find and click on Track Time. This selection is your first real step towards embracing the time management capabilities of Clickup. Following this action, you'll be presented with an interface dedicated to time tracking. Here you'll notice an option that says My Timesheet. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your personal timesheet within Clickup, a space where your logged hours will be neatly organized and stored. Now onto the pivotal part of logging time. Adding tasks to your timesheet. Look for an option that says Add Task. Clicking on this will allow you to bring tasks into your timesheet that you intend to log hours against. It's crucial for effective time management to log hours against specific tasks, as this helps in tracking your productivity and efficiency levels. After you click Add Task, a list of your tasks will appear. From this list, select the task you plan to work on or for which you're logging hours. This step is quite straightforward, but plays a significant role in organizing your work and ensuring accurate time tracking. Once you have your task selected, it's time to start tracking time. Look for a button that says Start Timer. Clicking this will commence the recording of time against the selected task. This feature is particularly useful for tracking real-time work efforts and can be a game changer in managing your productivity. Now, with the timer running, you're officially logging time on Clickup. This process will continue until you decide to stop the timer, at which point the log time will be saved against the specified task in your timesheet. It's a seamless way to keep accurate records of your work hours, directly linked to specific tasks and projects within your Clickup workspace. Remember, efficiently logging time in Clickup not only helps you keep track of how long tasks are taking, but also aids in managing your workload, setting clearer deadlines, and improving overall productivity by identifying areas where you might be spending more time than necessary. To wrap up, always make sure to stop the timer once you complete a task or at the end of your workday. Reviewing your timesheet regularly can provide valuable insights into your work habits and help you make informed decisions on how best to allocate your time moving forward. With these steps, you're now well equipped to make the most out of Clickup's time tracking feature. This will not only help you in personal productivity, but also in demonstrating transparency and accountability in team environments. Remember, effective time management is a key ingredient for success in any work setting, and Clickup's tools are here to help you achieve just that. Thank you for watching, and here's to maximizing your productivity with Clickup's time logging features.